Hello students. Today we are going to second lecture on the on the fourth chapter. The point is the experimental verifications of Maxwell's law of distributions of velocity. So see this figure. There is a horn is denoted by A. This a rays is passing or light is a passing like this S1, S2, S3. There are three windows. Okay, three slide. You can say this. O is the origin center of the this plate. P and D. And there is a one is glass plate. So Zartman's and Co. is finding 1934. Okay. And experimental to study the distributions of velocity. या एक्सपेरिमेंट मध्ये डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन वेलोसिटीचा अभ्यास करायचा आहे. apparatus and on with the opening at A. This is the opening of A. This is a window. So S1 and S2 are the two parallel slides. These are the slides. So A is a drum. D can be rotated about an axis passing through O. काय D हा त्या ओरिजिनच्या शेवटी फिरत असतो. D can be rotated about an axis passing through O. O is the center, isn't it? P is a glass surface. P काय आहे? Glass surface आहे on which a beam of silver atom. काय कशावर? Silver atom, uh, which a beam of silver atom will get deposited. Deposit म्हणजे तिथं ठेवलेलं आहे. Okay, deposited. Metallic silver is melt in the oven. मेटॅलिक जे सिल्वर आहे ते मेल्ट कुठं आहे? ओन मध्ये आहे. अ बेम ऑफ सिल्वर ॲटम इज इंजेक्टेड थ्रू ए. मग तिथं काय ठेवलं? इंजेक्ट केलं जातं. सिल्वर ॲटम इंजेक्ट केले जातात. ओके, कुठं? ए पार्ट मध्ये म्हणजे ओन मध्ये. द ड्रम डी इज रोटेटेड with the speed of 6000 rm. Okay, approximately. When the drum is stationary, that time drum का असतो stationary असं steady position मध्ये असतो. The silver atom get deposited at the same point on the glass plate. काय केलं जातं? सिल्वर ॲटमचे काय डिपॉझिट केले जातात कुठं? ग्लास प्लेट. ओके. So, when a drum is rotated, a fine beam of silver molecule with very high speed. ओके, त्या ड्रम मध्ये रोटेट होतं ते काय जास्त स्पीड मध्ये ते रोटेशन चालू असो. Each of plate P first, that is on the right end of the P. तसं each स्पीड कशी असते? राईट साईडला असते, एंड ऑफ द P. The molecules with very low speed, molecules speed low असे reach the other end of the plate after the sufficient quantity of silver is deposited on the plate P. Okay, using a spectrophotometer. स्पेक्ट्रोफोटोमीटर तिथं वापरण्यात आलेलं आहे. द रिलेटिव्ह इंटेन्सिटी ऑफ सिल्वर ऑन द प्लेट P इज स्टेडी. काय होतं? द रिलेटिव्ह इंटेन्सिटी, त्याची जी इंटेन्सिटी जी असते ही ऑफ सिल्वर on the plate P is steady. Okay, it represents the velocity distributions of the molecules. The graph representing the number of on molecules and velocity agree with Maxwell distributions of velocity. सो मेन फ्री पाथ झिरोथ ऑर्डर लागते. आता हे जे मॉलिक्युल्स आहेत ते कसे असतात, हे तर स्ट्रेट मध्ये पण झिगझॅग पोझिशन मध्ये ते मूव्ह होत आहे. ओके. इन ड्रायव्हिंग प्रेशर एक्सप्रेशन expression in driving pressure expressions on the basis of kinetic theory. Kinetic theory माहिती आहे काय, मुवमेंट मध्ये असते ते मॉलिक्युलर मुवमेंट मध्ये, त्यालाच म्हणतात कायनेटिक theory. It was assumed that the molecules are of the negligible size. त्यांचे साईज कसे असे negligible आहे. So show this figure. The molecules move in one direction like this, but is going to zigzag positions, isn't it? They were assumed to be geometrical point. A geometrical point has no dimensions and hence intermolecules. Okay. Collisions will not be possible. Collision तिथं possible म्हणजे एकमेकांशी आढळत नाही. But a molecules as a finite size. पण त्यांची साईज काय आहे, फायनाईट आहे, and moves in the space of the vessel containing it. Okay. ते vessel मध्ये ते मूव्ह होत आहे. The collides with other molecules and the walls of the container containing vessel. The path covered by a molecules between any two constructive collisions is a straight line is called the free path. काय म्हणणं आहे तिथे? The path covered by a molecule between two constructive collisions. दोनच्या मधला अंतर constructive collisions is a straight line is called the main free is the called the free path. The directions of the molecules is change after every collision. काय होतं तिथं? The directions of molecules is change after collisions, म्हणजे ते एकमेकावर आदळल्यानंतर त्यांचं काय डायरेक्शन चेंज होतं असं त्यांचं म्हणणं. The after a number of collisions, the total path appears to the zigzag and the free path is not constant. काय त्यांचं फ्री पाथ हे कॉन्स्टंट नसतं, ते झिगझॅग असल्यामुळे. ओके. Therefore the term means free path is used to indicate the main distance traveled by the molecules between two collisions. काय होतं? Therefore a term main free path is used to indicate the main distance traveled by a molecules between the two collisions. Okay. त्याच्या डिस्टन्स टू कोलिजन मधला अंतर हे मोजलं जातं. If the total distance traveled after n collisions is s. Okay. ट्रॅव्हल कशाने, नंबर n ने, collision s, then the main free path lambda is given by lambda is equal to s upon n. Let the molecules be assumed to be spare spare of diameter d. त्याचा diameter काय असतो ना, d. A collision between two molecules will take place if the distance between the center of the two molecules is denoted by d. Collisions will also occur if the collision molecule has a diameter 2d and the other molecule is simply a geometrical point. काय म्हणायचं तिथं? If the collision molecule has a diameter 2, collision molecule चा diameter काय आहे? 2d आहे, and the other molecule is simply a geometrical point. इथं फक्त geometrical point मध्ये consider करायचं आहे. As assuming all other molecules to be geometrical point and the colliding molecules of diameter 2d, These molecules will occur a volume pi d square into V is a 1 second. This corresponds to the volume of cylinder of diameter 2d and length V. Let n be the number of molecules per cc. Then number of molecules present in the volume pi d square into V is equal to pi d square V into n, isn't it? These values represent the number of collisions made by the molecules in 1 second. So the distance moved in 1 second is equal to V, and the number of collisions in 1 second pi d square V into n. Main free path lambda is equal to V upon pi d square V into n is equal to 1. आता V V काय झालं इथं कॅन्सल झालं म्हणून 1 upon pi d square into n. This is a classes closest closest experiments expression called Collis's expression for main free path. So lambda proportional to inversely proportional to 1 upon d square. The main free path is inversely proportional to the square of the diameter of the molecules. Let m be the mass of each molecule, then m into n is equal to rho. So this equation we can write lambda is equal to m upon pi d square into rho. This is the main free path is inversely proportional to density of gas. The expression for the main free path according to Boltzmann is pi lambda. Lambda is equal to 3 upon 4 pi d square into n. This is standard equation of the Boltzmann expressions. He assumed that all molecules have the same average speed. Maxwell derived an expression lambda is equal to 1 upon into root of 2 pi d square n. So known as Maxwell formula, he calculated the value of lambda on the basis of the law of distributions of velocity. So determinations of main free path. Main free path determination आपण करूया. The relation between the coefficients of velocity and the main free path of a molecule is given by eta is equal to 1 upon 3 m n c lambda. So what is this? For unit volume mn is equal to rho. आपण बघितलंय is equal to therefore eta is equal to 1 by 3 mn च्या ऐवजी काय टाकला rho c into lambda. So lambda is equal to the equation 3n cross multiplication 3n divided by rho into c. So see there the root main square velocity c. The root main square velocity is c of a molecules can be calculated knowing pressure, density and temperature. The coefficient of velocity of gas is determined by experimentally. Hence, the value of the main free path of molecules can be calculated from above equation. Here lambda is equal to the आपण calculate केलेला आहे. So, transference phenomena. According to Maxwell's law of distributions of velocity, we have dn is equal to na to the power 3 expansion minus lambda by 2 in a bracket u square plus v square plus w square into dv du dv dw. Okay, we have seen this already, this formula. This equation has to be modified in case of gas as whole processes possess mass motions. Let mu o mu uh, VO and WO be the component of the mass velocity. Therefore, the actual velocity of the molecule consists of two parts, which are the mass velocity component UO V0 mono W0. Okay. The random thermal velocity component is U minus V0, V minus V0, and W minus V0, corresponding the thermal motion without mass motion. Without mass motion. Similarly, quantities with mass motions are capital U is equal to small u minus U0. Capital V is equal to V minus V0 and W is equal to W minus W0. For equation 4.7, Maxwell's law of distributions of velocity can be written as dn is equal to na to the power 3 exponential minus lambda upon 2 in a bracket u square plus v square plus w square du, dv and dw. This equation number 4.8. So equation 4.8 holds good if U0, V0 and W0, then T and N are the constant. Throw the gas, म्हणजे टेम्परेचर हे आणि हे नंबर हे काय असले पाहिजे कॉन्स्टंट असले पाहिजे. Throw the gas. If the gas is not in the equilibrium state, there are three possibilities occurring singly or jointly. One, the components of velocity v0, u0, v0 and w0 may not have the same value in all part of the gas. Okay. Second, the temperature of the gas may not be in the same throughout. Right? The temperature of the gas may not be the same throughout. असं एक एक वाक्य जर त्याच्यात दिलं तरी एक एक लाईन इनफ होतं. This resultant transference of thermal energy of region of higher to lower temperature, this is this give rise the phenomena of conduction. The temperatures of the gas may not be in the same throughout. एवढं जरी दिलं तरी चालेल. The number of molecules per cc, that is n, may not be in the same throughout the value of the gas. This resulted in the movement of the molecules from regions of higher value of n to lower value of n. This give rise the phenomenon of diffusion. Okay. आता हे बघा, from the above discussion, it is a clear that the transfer of the momentum, energy and mass represent the velocity, conductions and diffusions respectively. काय होतं? Conduction and diffusion respectively. These are called the transference phenomena. हे डेफिनेशन हे लक्षात घ्या. काय लक्षात घ्यायचं? इथनं घ्यायचं पण कुठं energy of the diffusion. From discussions, it is not. It is a clear that transfer fundamental. हे पण नाही. Energy and the representative velocity. बघा इथनं घ्या. Conduction and diffusions. हे पूर्ण लिहावं from the transport of momentum. काय? From transfer of momentum, energy and mass, present velocity, conductions and diffusions respectively. These are called the transfer phenomena. Okay. काय काढायचं तुम्हाला? From the transference of momentum, energy and mass represent viscosity, conductions and diffusions respectively. These are called the transference phenomena. From the thermodynamics points of view, the transform phenomena are irreversible. ट्रांसफर phenomena काय आहे? Irreversible आहे. The transform phenomena occurs due to the thermal ignition of the molecules. The molecules in a particular layer are associated with a certain values of velocity compound, temperature and molecular density. Right? Temperature and molecular density. So they tend to minimize the difference in V0, U0, V0, W0, T and N means the temperature and number. The molecules actually possess large velocity, whereas the phenomena of viscosity, conductions and diffusions are completely slow. These nominally anomaly is explained on the fact that the molecules frequency collides. Molecule frequency collides with other thing. Therefore, the transparent phenomena are basically governed by the main free path lambda of the molecules. मग शॉर्टमध्ये a molecules move through a free path lambda is actually transferring the momentum, energy, and mass through a distant lambda. The transfer phenomena occur only in one non-equilibrium state of gas. Okay, so see next point tomorrow. We stop here this lecture.